Hello ladies and gentlemen, Sami here. As you may know, Xiaomi's eco-company Roborock has released several robot vacuums in the past years, and nearly all of them, received great reviews on social media. And now they are rolling out with a new T-series robot vacuum T6. Yes, that's the video, and for English subtitles, please go to my second channel here, and please subscribe to it. It hasn't even reached to 1000 subscribers. I worked so hard. Anyway, since currently the T6 robot vacuum is in crowdfunding on Xiaomi Mijia platform, I don't have one, but some of tech reviewers from China have got them and did videos about it. So I will just summarize all of them and give you a first glimpse of the vacuum. I've also left the links in the description. Please make sure to check them out. To begin with, the T6 is a China version. I'm not sure what Roborock is going to call it for international version, and to be honest, I'm quite confused with the international version names like S50, S55, E20, whatever. For the packaging, basically the same as previous generation, but this T6 version comes with 10 disposable mops, one time, one piece, no need to wash. Well thought for this extremely lazy guy like me. There are some minor changes, like for the charging dock. Now you can wipe your wires into the dock so you can control the length of the cable. It looks tidy now, that's great. You can also see a switch here which enables you to control the water flow to mop the floor. On the design wise, it looks almost the same as the S50, but the buttons are integrated to one, as you can see. Wi-Fi indicator is hidden under the cover here, and there is a small brush beside the dust box. The biggest change would be 2 more cliff sensors were being added. Of course, I will be doing a full design review when I have one of this in my hand. Just stay tuned. In the official info, it says the T6 maintains the same 2000 per suction, while the noise decreases a lot. That's true. And here are some more tests. On the software side, just as the official video suggests, it will classify and mark different rooms while mapping. Also, it saves the map for your later use, so you can clean different rooms separately at different time zone. Of course, you can set no cleaning zone as well. It also supports AI speaker voice assistant from Xiaomi, but that will be available later through firmware update. So that's a really simple video about it. I will do a full review when I got one of this. Thanks for watching. I'm Sami. See you next time.